aboard. My name is Karen. I'm the flight service manager on today's flight to New York. I have an excellent team of cabin crew on board today, which includes 2 cabin service supervisors. I have Carl in charge of the upper class cabin, and Carrie is in charge of both the premium economy and economy services. With regards to safety on board, I must remind you that smoking, including electronic and smokeless cigarettes, is not permitted anywhere on the aircraft. Each toilet is fitted with a smoke alarm, and it's a criminal offence to tamper with, disable or destroy a toilet smoke detector, or ignore the no smoking signs which are located throughout the cabin and in the toilets. We do encourage that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times in case we encounter unexpected turbulence, and whenever the fasten seatbelt signs are illuminated, you must fasten your seatbelt and ensure that it is visible to us so that we can check it without disturbing you. Infants must be properly secured at all times for their own safety. If they are using a bassinet or cot, they must be returned to your lap and secured whenever the fasten seatbelt signs are illuminated. If they are using a cradle, the full body harness must remain fastened at all times, including during turbulence. Some electronic equipment may interfere with the aircraft's navigation systems. For restrictions on their use, please refer to the back of the safety card in your seat pocket. If you wish to use your personal headset, you may do so now. You can also turn on your mobile phones. The onboard mobile network will be available shortly, allowing you to text, email, make calls and use the internet. The network will not be available while we are in the US airspace. For more information on using your phone to connect in flight, please refer to the seat back card in your seat pocket or the help section on your screen. Standard roaming charges do apply. If you do not have a GSM phone or do not have a roaming contract, then please ensure your mobile phone remains switched off or is set to the flight safe mode for the duration of the flight. The in-seat power supply and other electrical sockets throughout the aircraft must not be used as a charging facility or to connect devices which produce direct heat. Please be aware that as the effects of alcohol are increased in the air, only alcohol served by us may be consumed on board. We'll only serve alcohol in moderation and can refuse to serve it to any customer based on their consumption and not just their behaviour. We do encourage that you stretch and move your legs frequently while seated. Information on seated exercises and jet lag advice are available on our Travel Health Tips programme. Details can be found in the Vera magazine.